the Galaxy A36 5G isn't just a phone. Wrapping the A36 in Gorilla Glass Victus Plus that feels premium to the touch. Boasting an IP67 rating, meaning it can handle a sudden rainstorm or a clumsy spill into a puddle without breaking its stride. Under the hood, it transitioned to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. This change isn't just about speed, it's about endurance. The phone runs cooler and smoother, managing its 5,000 mAh battery. The 50 megapixels main sensor acts as the lead, using Optical Image Stabilization (OIS) to keep memories steady even when your hands aren't. Samsung promised this device 6 years of updates. In a world where tech is often disposable, the A36 5G is built to be by your side until 2031